Okay, August.
Coming to my phone. Once Kool-Aid go good with Patron. Oh no, hell no, boy, it's still my ringtone.
He got junked.
What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto, and I'm back. Let's get this little tree out of the way. How y'all doing today? Where are we going, August? What are we gonna do there? Swim? At the water park? What are we gonna do before we go to the water park? Breakfast? Cracker Barrel, right? Cracker Barrel. Say hi to everybody. Say, yo, what up? Yeah, we're gonna have a good day, folks. I'm gonna document it because I'm trying to get better with the GoPro. We got the GoPro Hero7 White Edition, which was like the economy one, which has been working great for me. But I did a little bit of research and I'm super excited. The GoPro Hero 8, had some mixed reviews. The 9's supposed to be really good. So the GoPro Hero 9 is supposed to be coming out September or October, like now, sometime in the next few weeks. So I'm gonna be picking that sucker up. That'll have the stabilization and all that stuff, but we'll get some good footage with the 7 today. I'm just kind of trying to use it more. The microphone for picking up my voice and different sounds and noise cancellation and all that stuff is supposed to be really nice in the Hero 8, or I mean the 9. It was really nice in the 8 also. But anyhow, yeah, you guys pick up a GoPro if you want to get you guys some good footage and, you know, start a channel or something. It's a lot of fun. It's a blast. It's amazing what you can do with these little cameras. She's killing her bottle. I can hear her. Did you drink it all yet? Say bye. See you later. Here we go. To the park. To the water park. We're gonna get down. We're gonna get around. We're gonna do our thing all day. Hey. You want mac and cheese? Are you hungry? Don't break your crayon. Good? Sit down. Where are you going? What you got there? You're going fast. Sur-on jet ski. You're so beautiful. I don't want to get all wet. Was that fun? Whoa, this is high. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Yeah!
He got me!